Looking for a powerful and exciting ride on Jeep for your little adventurer? Meet the MJ136 4x4 big-size heavy-duty electric ride-on Jeep. Designed to deliver a fun and realistic driving experience for kids aged 2 to 8 years. Dual control driving. One of its most useful features is the dual control system. Kids can drive the Jeep themselves using the steering wheel and controls, while parents can take control whenever needed with the 2.4G wireless remote control. This makes it a great option for both independent play and supervised driving. Powerful 4x4 performance. The MJ136 comes equipped with four-wheel drive capability and powerful motors, helping provide a confident ride across suitable surfaces. It also features a speed control switch, horn, and bright LED headlights, adding to the realistic driving experience. Bluetooth and multimedia. The fun doesn't stop with driving. The built-in multimedia system supports Bluetooth, USB, and aux, allowing kids to enjoy music while cruising around. The bright LED lights also add an exciting look to every ride. Safety features. Safety is an important part of any kid's ride-on vehicle. The MJ136 features a soft start mechanism to help provide smoother acceleration, along with anti-tip steering and bright lighting for better visibility. Parents should always supervise children and follow the manufacturer's recommended age, weight, speed, and safety guidelines. Battery and playtime. The Jeep is powered by a 12 volts rechargeable battery. According to the listed specifications, it can provide approximately 80 to 100 minutes of playtime after around 6 to 7 hours of charging, depending on factors such as rider weight, surface, speed, and usage. Comfortable and durable design. Built for active play, the MJ136 features a strong ABS plastic body, heavy-duty wheels, and dual wear-resistant seats. These features are designed to provide a sturdy and comfortable ride while giving kids plenty of room to enjoy their adventures. Easy assembly. Assembly is also made convenient. The package includes an instruction manual, charger, and the necessary components needed for setup. Final thoughts. Overall, the MJ136 4x4 heavy-duty 12 volts electric ride-on Jeep combines powerful four-wheel drive performance, dual controls, Bluetooth music, LED lights, safety features, and a rugged design into one exciting kids' ride-on vehicle. If you're looking for a large 4x4 electric Jeep for kids aged 2 to 8 years, this model is definitely worth checking out. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and make sure children ride under appropriate adult supervision with suitable protective gear. If you'd like to purchase, you'll find the buying link in the video description below. Be sure to check the latest price and available offers. If you enjoyed this review, please like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel for more reviews of kids' electric cars, ride-on bikes, scooters, ATVs, and the latest electric vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Now let's move on to the installation process. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.